Hello my friends, this is my road of learning English. Take a look, subscribe to my channel, share with friends, let's development together. If I have any mistakes, please write in the comments below. Let's start.
File. Don't open this folder! Boat. Boat. Sorry, I can't find that file.
This machine always works well. Which machine do you usually use?
Какой аппарат вы обычно используете?
Next! They need to clean the shower.
We're creating an app next year.
Мы создадим в следующем году.
My boss often prints her documents.
Мой босс часто печатает свои документы.
Oh my gosh, he's downloading music at work.
Боже. Он скачивает музыку на работе.
One moment, I'm downloading a big file. Print. The people in my office print a lot. Download. Are you using this printer after me? You using. Are you using this printer after me?
Вы будете использовать этот принтер после меня.
He's nervous because his new clients are coming tomorrow.
Он нервничает, потому что его новый клиент придет завтра.
We often find old files on this machine. We often find old files on this machine. We often find old files on this machine.
Мы часто находим старые файлы на этом аппарате.
Print. Garlic. Page. Folder.
Catch.
Поймать, catch. Upload. Складируем стоя.
Internet.
Интернет.
The internet isn't working right now.
Интернет. Подпись, что нам?
Jeans. Prize. Prize. The boss never wears jeans.
Босс никогда не носит джинсы.
Envelope.
Конверт. Envelope.
Envelope.
Let's improve this old app.
Давайте. Это старое приложение. Improve. Улучшим.
Improve.
Improve. Улучшать.
This team has to improve our app.
Эта команда должна улучшить наше приложение.
We don't have enough envelopes.
Да. У нас нет достаточно конвертов. У нас нет достаточно.
Everybody uses this new software.
Все используют это новое приложение.
Everybody hated the old software. Everybody hated the old software.
Your clients don't agree with you.
Ваши клиенты общаются с нами. I agree.
Agree. Is she giving you more time to finish your project?
Дает больше времени.
Are we having lunch together on Friday?
Мы обедаем вместе в пятницу.
We don't have enough envelopes. Does he earn a lot?
Он зарабатывает много.
Do you earn more money when you work on Saturday?
Why is he copying that file?
Почему файл?
Early. Early.
Are you copying this document for your boss?
Somebody always takes my spoon.
Кто всегда берет мою ложку?
Oh my gosh, is somebody copying my files?
Which department are you calling?
Sorry, you are in the wrong department.
Do you often chat with your coworkers?
Вы часто болтаете со своими коллегами?
How often does your coworker chat with you? How often does your coworker chat with you?
Как часто ваш болтает с вами? Чат болтает.
I think somebody is reading my emails.
What are we discussing in this meeting?
Is the boss discussing my project with you? Is the boss discussing my project with you? How many people work in your department?
Discuss.
Earn.
Earn.
Does he earn a lot?
Somebody always takes my spoon.
Businesswoman.
Деловая жизнь.
My boss is a very smart businesswoman.
Мой босс Очень умная деловая женщина.
Don't be lazy.
Не будьте ленивым.
Miss. Everybody is a little lazy sometimes. Everybody is a little lazy sometimes.
Can anybody help me?
Может, там еще может быть.
Does anybody in this office speak Japanese? Does anybody in this Does anybody in this office speak Japanese? Japanese.
Our goal is to create an app.
Golden целяхен.
Is your goal to become the manager? Nobody uses pencils these days.
Никто не использует.
My goal is to start a business.
Моя цель начать бизнес. My goal is to start a business.
Her idea is to find more clients.
Ее идея найти
These days, many women start their own business.
How many businesswomen do you know? Businesswomen.
His idea is to buy more buildings.
Actually, there are many businesswomen in my family.
Don't be lazy.